Welcome back to our series on budget-friendly staging tips, and today we're going to talk about making things disappear. Okay, so we know that we need to be neutral, and we talk about paint. It's very obvious, but there are other elements in the home that we want to make neutral to really set the stage, pun intended, for our new homeowners, the buyers. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to set it up so that the buyers can see themselves living in the house. That means they'll see themselves loving the house. That means they'll see themselves paying you to be in the house. And how do we do that? Well, we got to really scrub this place of all of the things that really make it feel like your home. And here's what I mean by that. Pictures, collectibles, trophies, all of those things, diplomas, all that great stuff, all your memories. We need to take that stuff and we need to put that somewhere safe, because we got to make it so that the buyer is able to have a clean slate and see their own pictures and see their own trophies and things in their mind's eye inside that house. So this is the dining room, the living room, the kitchen, including the refrigerator, the bedrooms, everywhere. And we just need to put it in storage until we transition to your next property. This is key. It's really easy to do, and it's super cheap. Hello again, Cedric Stewart here. Hopefully you learned something from that last video. You know, over the years I've shared my real estate knowledge on all of these news outlets, along with many others. Like and subscribe to this channel for more digestible bites of information, and call, text, or email us when it's time for you to buy or sell your next home.